I like to make things for my vegetarians out there also. Riced vegetables. Dollar Tree. Come on, stop. 10 ounces of riced cauliflower. I like to do things that you would normally not do. I have Manwich, thick and chunky. Alright, wait for it. It's been about 15 minutes. Every 2-3 minutes you gotta mix it around because yes, it burns. That is caramelization, not burny. And I definitely try to do something for my vegetarians. Look at that. That is amazing. Manwich rice cauliflower. Oh yeah, that was 2 bags of 10-ounce rice cauliflower. Thank you, Dollar Tree. I try to do amazing things for you. I don't think anybody's ever done this before. I never Googled it. I don't care. And even after I do this, who knows if I'll even come up in Google. But it definitely burns. Look how thick that is. That is like glue. I actually bought 4 bags. We got to figure out what our next vegetarian dish is. Now, what you could do, as I reach under here, could have threw some of my Ortega taco seasoning in there. Could have thrown some adobo sauce. What else? I got tons of stuff. Could have made it black. Give it a little seafood taste. Oops, Houston, we have a problem. Black sesame flour. All right. And that is for my vegetarians. Hope you enjoy it.